Yeah. Okay guys, this is film number 2. Still in.
We walked in the break.
We're still in the Hoover building.
Yeah, that's the corridor that goes across that.
I was going to climb on top of it.
There's also a fire exit one that goes stairs up that way.
Yeah.
Excuse me, that was more than you can't see down there. We've been coming down.
Yeah, we can't risk opening the door though.
No, don't open the door.
Power that goes
It's
there.
an abandoned fucking tunnel.
Shh. We're going upstairs by you or what?
We stand on top.
Don't open it.
Is this abandoned?
Yeah, but don't open it.
Travis, it's all
Don't open it, Reese, a minute. Reese, Reese. Shh. Reese, just leave it till last. Don't shine your torch outside. Come on, are we going upstairs? James, you noisy bugger, shut up. Okay guys, we're up on the floor now. Conference room. They obviously used to have small conferences. Okay, that's just you riding on. Okay, that overlooks the houses. Stay out of the window when the helicopter's around.
What?
Stay out of the windows.
Oh, the helicopters, yeah.
Yeah.
We hid from one of them.
Okay. More pigeon feces visible. Couple of small rooms. Oh, got to take that.
Sam!
Look at all that pigeon feces. Everywhere. Looking.
Sam's downstairs.
Where are you filming in, Reese? HT? Keep an eye on your minutes.
12.
And you want to shine it up, Reese, because you do most of your filming on the floor, mate. There it is. There's a dead pigeon.
Yeah, there's no out.
Dead pigeons, carcasses everywhere.
This high up wouldn't be rats, because they'll stay down.
It could be wild cats, anything, Trav. Really, other birds. They could have died of old age and just been eaten. The what?
The drill reach was on the right there.
Yeah, this is hanging. We're actually walking around on pigeons' feces. There's dead pigeons everywhere. At least 5 or 6 pigeons. There's a drill someone's left here. I'm just gonna.
Drill work.
Okay, I'm removing that. For danger. Gonna put it safe. Being urban exposed, we don't take anything anyway, so we just put it down somewhere safe. Yep, a lot of dead carcasses everywhere. There's another one there. Okay, this looks a bit really knackered. Vandals have been in here giving it a good old go. Pigeons. There's a few live pigeons. A few live pigeons in the air vents. A lot of dead carcasses again. Yeah, he's going to be frightened of you before you're frightened of him. That's all he's... That's why he's moving. There's no food in here for him, for one. And he'll probably get trapped over time. This is absolutely hanging. I'm absolutely walking in wet pigeon feces. As you can see, there's millions of pigeons. Oh, one got stuck then. Oh, he flew out.
Oh, what's that?
Don't know. Yeah. Okay.
Just want to have a look at the ladders back the other side out. Or do I go up that first?
That's just the toilet.
Oh, whoever's dangerous enough, they can work on the tunnel. Over the tunnel on top of it. Huh?
Okay, we've been down there now, haven't we?
Yeah, you want to have a look at the stairs?
What stairs?
Go up.
I thought there's a stairs by there that goes up.
Ladder.
It's against the wall.
Yeah.
They don't go nowhere though. We can do them on the way down, can't we? Is this the last one up?
Is it by here, Reece?
No, it's down back on there.
It's right down there.
Follow me.
Right, again. You want to go to the quarry, yeah? We're going up on 5 weeks.
No, we need to
Who's
get
coming quarry?
Is that it? We're done now, are we?
No.
Where's the ladder to the roof?
How are we doing? Follow me, you know.
I'll follow you now. Hurry up, I will end it.
I can't even smell it.
Down there.
Where?
Bird. We've not gone down here.
Oh, that bird.
It's in the fucking vents.
What?
Yeah, they're in there, Reece. And it's me doing this.
What's wrong?
Fucking hell.
What's wrong, Reece?
So down there, yeah? Well,
It's there, under there.
Right, I'm going the other way because it'll be quicker then.
This way.
Sketchy.
Look, bird.
He stepped in the bird.